So welcome back everyone, Mike and Hunter here today, and it is just a perfect day today. It's about 55 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. It kind of feels like fall, just fantastic. But this morning I did a little work around the house there, ran the string trimmer a little bit, did a little bit of mowing, and Hunter and I are headed to Burger King. And then when I get back from there, I'm going to cut some firewood, some more grass, all sorts of things. We have some people coming over this evening, so I got about 3 or 4 hours to get a bunch of stuff done, and we'll see how it goes. But first up, got to go get Hunter's chicken sandwich, and we're going to see if he picks the spicy chicken today or back to the original. We'll see. All right, it's a moment of truth. We have to get something for Eva too.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. My name's Sharon. How can I help you?
Give me one moment, please.
Sure, take your time. Just let me know when you're ready.
Spicy chicken. Give me a number 10 with a medium diet, a cheeseburger, and an apple pie.
I'm sorry, you said a number 10?
Yes.
Large size?
Yes, with a diet.
Uh-huh. And a pie?
Yeah.
Hershey's?
No, apple pie.
Apple, I'm sorry. What else can I get for you?
Did you get that one cheeseburger?
I did not. Okay, so I added on the cheeseburger. What else can I get for you today?
That's all.
Okay, your total is $10.38. Second window, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I believe the spicy chicken could be the new favorite. What do you think, Hunter? I'm thinking so. Well, Hunter and I got back from Burger King a little while ago, and he thoroughly enjoyed his spicy chicken sandwich. Now I'm going to get on the RK37, hook the brush hog up, head over to the other hill, do a little brush hogging, get rid of some multiflora rose. That invasive species stuff is tough, especially on the trails. Everything kind of wants to grow into it. So even though you can mow the trails, you have to kind of get in there once in a while with the grapple and pull some of that stuff out. So I'm going to head over there and do that, do a little mowing. I don't even know what all I'm going to do the rest of the day, but it's a pretty nice day. This is up here on the other hill, which once was an old apple orchard. Mostly everything we have is all woods. I opened this up a couple years ago. I love it up here. I need to do a little bit more of this in a few places. Well, it's Saturday evening now. I spent most of the day mowing and brush hogging. I got a ton more to do, but then I had to go back to the house for a little bit and get ready. We had some family come over. We had a gender reveal party. I guess that's what they call it nowadays. My son and our daughter-in-law are having a baby in October, so this afternoon we found out what it was going to be.
But it's so far away.
It's supposed to be 100 yards.
Hi, Bert. Brace yourself.
Definitely a boy.
Wow.
Going to be a boy, which is really cool. The baby's due sometime in October. That'll be our first grandson, so we're pretty excited about that. That was an exploding target. Worked out, I guess you get a letter from the doctor. We gave it to the neighbor. She ordered it. Nobody knew but her, and they sent it in the mail. You set it up, you shoot it, bunch of blue powder. It's a boy, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm back over here by the old apple orchard. I'm working on this one trail here now. Earlier today, I was over here with the grapple and the brush hog. And you know, you can just mow these trails, but what happens is all those invasive plants, everything just wants to grow in, trying to get to the sunlight, so you can't get it. So every once in a while I'll take the grapple in and just kind of push the sides back a little bit, rip that stuff right out by the roots, and that seems to work out pretty well. If you're ever building trails through the woods and you have woods kind of like we do, I'm telling you, make them 15 feet wide to start, because everything just keeps coming in. Allow yourself some room to work and maintain them. Anyway, I'll show you what I got going on here this evening. This is a lot steeper than what it looks. I kind of beat this to death right in here, but that's okay. It'll grow right back. I was spinning a little bit coming back up there. And right down in there is where I pulled out one huge multiflora rose. So I'm going to go just keep heading down the hill. I think we're going to back down now. I can mow most of that. And if I got to get any more out with the grapple, I'll hit it coming up the hill. anytime that I'm out and about on the tractors and I'm on my way back to the house, if I pass one of those log piles, I always grab at least one or two, bring them back up here to the yard. It works out pretty good. But anyway, today was a pretty good day. Find out we're gonna have a grandson sometime in October. Got some brush hogging done. I got some mowing done, all sorts of little things. Worked out really well. The weather was just beautiful. Now tomorrow it is supposed to rain. I've been kind of watching the weather. I'd love to see like 4 or 5 days straight of nice weather. And if we do, I'm going to be taking some vacation days at work to get some things done. Here comes Grandma. Isn't that something, huh?
Yeah, super exciting.
I was just telling everyone about that and what a nice day it was today. And if I can get 4 or 5 days like this in a row, I'm taking a little vacation time. We're going to get working on that tower blind back there.
Yeah.
The reason I haven't been working on that is, you know, you're switching gears a lot. You got to get all a bunch of different tools and things like that. I just need a couple days where I can work on it straight.
Get some stuff put
and
together.
get some things done. Someone's calling me. Something else I've been mentioning every so often. You know, there's a lot of people that watch this channel that have never commented before. If you're one of those people, let us know, you know, where you're from, how things are going in your part of the world. And if you're not a subscriber and you do enjoy these videos, please hit the subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. You have anything you'd like to add?
Just thanks so much.
They're going to see this on Mother's Day, so.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yeah.
And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends.
Thanks.